Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites and starting the process now. On your iPhone, open the Watch app and tap My Watch. This tells the phone you intend to manage apps. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Those services move data fast. Once paired, scroll to Available apps. This is where the syncing control lives. You do not need to repair unless prompted. Instead, proceed to install or toggle apps from the screen so the watch can receive them. Once done with the My Watch list, focus on selecting apps to sync. Tap Install beside each available app to push it to the watch. This initiates background transfer. Make sure Automatic App Install is set the way you want. On copies compatible iPhone apps automatically, versus off lets you pick. For finer control, tap an installed app to adjust complications, notifications, and which data the watch can show. This step ensures only the app. To finish, verify the app icons appear on your Apple Watch home screen. Tap one to open and confirm it runs. If an app fails to appear or stalls, restart both devices. This often clears temporary transfer errors. Make sure watch storage isn't full and that both devices are on the latest software. Outdated OS versions block some installs. If problems persist, open the Watch app and unpair, then repair as a last resort. This forces a full resync and usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.